Hey,
How we doing?
I'm doing okay. Having some technical problems.
No, it's all
So
good. It's all good.
hold on, because I wanted to send you your payment, but I'm trying to get on this Zelle. I usually use Venmo. So my
I
husband
would
said to
use
put,
Venmo, but I have a just one of those things with Venmo. I haven't had customers pay in probably a while, and it's a little bit.
really?
I don't use Venmo. I got a balance on there. I have to get situated. It's been a while since I've used on there, but yeah.
That's all right.
So how did you want to do this? So I want to make you feel as comfortable as possible about this with payment and how we do this because this is like your first time. Um,
Yeah. So
so
do you have PayPal?
I do have PayPal.
Oh, let me see. If I hit transfer,
Now,
add
wait a
money to
second.
your,
Hold a second. There is a different account I have with that. So it's not like it's the same
no,
information. Now, you're going to send it to the phone number, right? Is that what you're going to try to do? Or,
I don't even know how to use this. So,
oh,
uh, hold on. Well, I'll figure it out. PayPal. I'm on it. Send and request. So if I hit send, what happens?
hold a second. Now, I could
What's
go
your,
in. I can't do that.
it says name, username, email, or mobile.
Just put in the phone number.
Your phone number?
Yeah, try that. 267-596
Oh, hold on. 267-596.
9235.
KTS.
Yes.
All right. And then let's see what happens. The one time amount, $40.
Okay.
Send.
Just check something.
Did you get it? Oh, wait. I think I had to click the button, huh? Guess that would help. Says you've sent $40 US dollars to KTS.
Yes. Okay.
Yay.
All right.
I made it.
So yeah, so it's all good. Yeah, and maybe we can start doing it. I mean, if you need regular sessions or whatever, however long it is, we could probably do them out. I can get that set up as well. It's just been a while, and I've been so much on the road. You've been probably my first active session in like 2 or 3 months because it's just how it is.
Really?
Yes, I do so many different things. It's not even funny. I mean, I do the Uber Lyft thing. I do podcasts. I do all this other different stuff, and I'm just not. I mean, like last week, I was like, I probably should have stayed home and then did a session with you and then went on. But the schedule's been hectic. So, but anyways, so what exactly can I help you out with?
So we have, let me see. Does it allow me to share a screen on this?
Yes, hold it 1 minute. 1 minute. I gotta let you have it shared. All participants. All participants. Okay, you should be able to do it now.
Oh, there it is. So now, do you actually have like, do you work in the financial field?
Yes, I do because I'm going for a DBA, the
Oh,
Business
nice.
Administration, Masters of Business Administration. Yes, I do work with that. I have my own books out on the market. I run my own podcast show about business and employment relationships, politics, and stuff like that. And then also,
Busy, huh?
yes, I am. Yes, try to be.
All right. So do you see my screen?
Yes, I see your screen. You have a zebra on
Okay, perfect. Then I'm sharing correctly now. How do I get rid of this stupid bar at the top? Oh, I can just move it down at the bottom. All right. So I have a job interview tomorrow, right? It's an area VP position in hospice. It's obviously healthcare.
it.
And
Okay.
one of the problems I have is like our financial people, they tend to go very quickly And it's difficult to learn from them. But I feel like because I already work with the company as a director, that she's going to probably hit heavy on the financial aspect and not really like a clinical aspect or, she already knows my track record as far as, like staff and all that goes. So I think she's really going to be looking for that higher end financial thinking. And I mean, I'll be honest, like, I don't know if you can see my email here. So this is really what they send us. They send me three different ones. So like this one, when I open it, let me see if I can get it in Excel because it's easier than stupid OneDrive that they make us use. Um,
Oh my God. So this is like real basic. This is real basic financial stuff. Oh, this is good.
maybe
This is
for
a piece
you.
of cake. It's a piece of cake.
So
Trust me.
wait, so let me see what this one is. This is all right. So this is just basically their ledger or whatever, and they go. So they don't even
Well,
look at this
let
one.
me
So I don't
test you.
even know.
Let me test you on something right now. What's a ledger?
Basically, doesn't it just tell you what comes in and out?
Yes. So let's just say your balance is negative 200. You have $800 in money that you deposited. Well, there's 1,000 going out. Guess what? You're in the negative.
Right.
So you call your bank up and say, "What's going on here? I just put $800 in. Oh, you had this charge so and so go through." It's kind of like that. Does
Then
that
they
make
send us the summary and then they send us the income detail, right?
Yeah.
So they send us the income statement, summary, and the detail. Um, Let me download this one.
Okay, so there's a branch code. There's always like a branch code for like a bank, like TD Bank. Everybody has it's a mix of numbers and letters sometimes. Entity. It could be an LLC. It could be a sole proprietor. It could be a corporation. Anything like that.
So I think what I get confused by is, let me find it. Um, this is the one that gives you stinking everything. I want the other one because the other one's the one they hound me about constantly, drive me crazy. And I'm like, well, if you slow down, somebody might be able to learn from you, right?
Yeah, let me put it like
Like,
this.
slow your roll.
They're just
All right.
like math professors. They don't have no mercy or compassion for people, and that's basically what it comes down to.
Yeah, well, Tammy needs a little compassion here. All right, so they go into, all right, so gross revenue, that's what, after everything?
Yes, gross revenue is everything added together and for the whole year. And then you usually like out of when you look at your paycheck, unless you're an independent contract, you have to take your own taxes, which could range from like 18 to 33% depending on where you live. Um, so it varies. You got your federal tax, you got your state tax, you got your local tax, and it all comes out at once from that.
So like this 506,226 is everything they made so far, of
Yes. Yeah.
not for the quarter, but since like January or whenever your
Right.
fiscal year is.
Yep.
Or is it just for June?
It's the money. It looks like it's the monthly for health services.
Is it just for
But
the
that's
month?
their that's their budget. That's their budget for that month. They're going by a
Okay.
monthly budget. See where it says current monthly budget,
Yeah.
and then there's a Medicare adjustment. It's whatever adjustment they make on the end. If it's negative, it'll show negative of that adjustment. Does that make sense
Okay.
so far from what I'm
Yeah.
explaining? Okay.
Yes. So, okay. So then I was thinking correctly. Maybe I'm just doubting myself here, right?
Yeah, I mean, the
Um,
thing is, it's all a process of a review. I mean, the best thing I can tell you to do with these type of interviews is to show your knowledge, be confident, firm handshake, You know, finance is a hard subject. You're going through documents, you're going through monthly budgets and everything like that. So, I mean, it's a constant basis. Even today, you're dealing with a lot of inflation and things going up, money increases going up. This is what this is all about. They're spending their employees. What are they spending on plumbing costs or whatever within a building? What are they doing for employment status? How many employees do they have? Um, do they need to hire more people? Is there any fluctuation with that?
So the gross profit is what their bottom line is, right?
Yes, they have to make a profit to stay in business. Look at what happened at Crozier at the hospital.
Yep.
They have $9 million in debt. I can't believe how a hospital could be in debt when they get so many patients and have well trained staff. At least they're supposed to, at least, and then they have that happen. But
So why would the percent be different? So like it looks like in May it was
it's
292,
because
360.
there's a significant increase and decrease, and sometimes it might not move at all. It depends on the results
Uh-huh.
of the above gross and profit.
Okay, so that little bit amount wouldn't have moved it drastically.
Oh, excuse me, I got somebody at the door real quick. I'll be back in 1 minute.
Okay.
1 minute.
Two.
Okay. Definitely sorry about
You're fine.
as I'm doing this. Is there any other questions?
Um, so what do they mean by this? The SG&A as percent of sales.
Where's this at? SG&A, sales, sales and profit, sales percentage. So it looks like the rate has been going up between 16% 6% to 21.6%. 20.1%. They take the percentage and get the profit, what they make,
Okay.
how much a percent. So the 20.1%, it went up that much. 20%, let's see, and then also 16%, 19%, and 18%.
And that is part of all the indirect, right? Like that's stuff that we can't affect, right?
Yes.
All right. So where is the direct? Oh,
So
these
here's
are the direct
here's what
expenses.
I want to get a clear explanation for you because I'm not going to remember all this stuff off the top of my head. But the clear understanding of it is that SG&A, which stands for selling and general and administration expenses. So it's a percentage taken from the budget of what they spend. Because request a crucial category of costs and business operations. So they could have different separate of operations for certain things, but this is the general sales and business part of that for the expenses that they do to create the profits and estimations
Okay.
of how much they make per month.
Okay, that makes sense. And then what is this? Because they mentioned this a lot too, this contribution
It's a margin of how much you profit every month and the percentage of every month.
percentage monthly. Okay. All right. And then I know what all that is. What's the difference between the net revenue and the gross revenue? I guess it's after all these adjustments.
Yes, you have a gross revenue, which is the total that you make. Then the net revenue is that it's like taking out of taxes off your
Oh,
paycheck.
okay. Okay. So it's just like your paycheck minus, which then gets you your net. So really, we're looking at the net revenue, right?
Yes.
Okay. So it actually increased. Okay. Um, and then I know what all that is. And then where's that other one I had? This one, they talk a lot about where to go. Yeah, they just slow down. People would be able to understand them better.
So let me ask you something. I know it's only been a short session so far. Everything I've explained to you understood, and I spoke slowly about it enough, right?
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Um, like I said, like I had the gist of it, so that's why I didn't really need a lot right this second because I had enough to like, you know what I mean, understand it, but I had questions and there's nobody to ask. They don't, where is it? So they talk a lot about EBITDA, but I don't see it on here. And this total core stuff.
You have a question about something else?
Yeah, so they talk a lot about EBITDA. What is that like really encompass? Like
What is it again?
what's it, EBITDA? EBITDA? It's not on this one, but they talk a lot about that.
I have to see it within the sheet to explain
Uh
it to me.
all right, just it's not on this one, so I can look that up. I think that's really it. I mean the rest of this stuff is all like ledger stuff that I can get. SG&A, you already explained that. Total sales and marketing. What about the core, the COR, the total
That's the
core?
other expenses or anything taken out, taxes, whatever, general expenses.
Okay.
Everything that's broken down is called the budget management system.
So why can't they just say it that way?
That's not how they can do it.
Like, why can't you just say it that way? I would understand it more, right?
Hmm.
All right. Um, what's this one mean? With and without depreciation, like the SGA with and without.
Okay, so let's just say you got a $50,000 car at a dealership. Depreciation, once that gets off the lot, it depreciates. It depreciates
Mhm.
value, decreases value.
Oh,
And then the percentage that they're using is what that would be. And then that's how they calculate it.
okay. With no depreciation. Okay. So I can go back later. Oh, what this COVID shit is. Um, all right, I think I'm good because a lot of this is just the regular ledger stuff. And that EBIT is not on here, so I'll have to look that one up.
Yeah, so here's what I'm going to do for you. All right, this $40 is going to cover you for anything before your interview, phone calls, text messages, whatever you need. Send me any questions that you might have,
Okay.
and I'll cover you through tomorrow. And if you need any future services, just let me know. That's what I'm
Okay.
here to
Yeah.
do to help. And then
Yeah.
if it works out good for you, I can leave you. You can leave me a 5-star review. That would be great.
All right. Pray for me. I
Oh,
need it.
you'll be fine. What's your position, anyways? Real quick, what's your position?
Right now, I'm an executive director trying to get into a VP spot.
There you go. See, you moved up
So,
that far. At least you're not a dishwasher or a busboy.
no, not a dishwasher, but
You know what I mean? So
this
that's good.
financial stuff is enough to drive you crazy.
Oh yeah, I know. I go through plenty of it every day.
Yeah, it's not fun.
All right. Well,
So,
hey,
well, I appreciate you. Thank you.
yep. You have a good night. Thank you.
You too. How do I even click out of this thing?